What is up, guys? It's your boy, the famous boy Jaquari, the famous boy, and we are going to pick up a dirt bike on Gangster4. And if you wanna join and come along, you can, cause I'll always be on this game. But I'm gonna go pick up my dirt bike from the shop, the dirt bike shop. But first, to jump over this. All right. Alright, you can see this is the dirt bike shop, and this is my dirt bike that I ordered online. Or this is a Kawasaki or something. I think it's a 2019. Let me see how it sound. Oh, that sounds good. I'll try over here. I'm gonna speed over there. Hold up. I think I'm gonna turn here. Oh, police? Where's the police?
Oh.
See, y'all want me to willy? Hold up. Hold on, wait for this.
I don't willy it.
I willy that.
Are you doing a truck? Trying to walk it?
Oh. Sorry. So yeah, I'm gonna drive this thing to my house, guys. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we are back at my house and the dirt bike is right here. I don't even know what to do with this. Look at that Corvette. Oh snap. I be having fancy cars come around here. Oh, look at that. Look at that Lamborghini.
I wonder what Karen's doing right now.
Look at that truck. Another Lamborghini coming. Look at that Lamborghini.
You wasn't soccer.
Look at that moped. Oh, I won't do that. I'm afraid I'm gonna do that. So y'all, the moped said he gonna race me. Alright. Oh, he died. Took that money. Oh, they about to race. Oh, he gone. They coming. I'm finna walk him on that boy. The Lamborghini gone, ain't it? I'm finna walk him. That boy gone. Oh, he gone. I trying to get the police on me. Oh, he hit the Camaro. I trying to get the police on me, bro. Oh, the police right there. Let's go. Alright, hit their car. Let's go. You ain't ready for me, police. I'm gonna be nice. I'm gonna be calm, cause I could easily get off of me. Alright, watch this. I'm a willy. Dang, I messed up. Oh yeah. Oh, my round. Alright, y'all. See, I just hopped back on the dirt bike. Clearly, I just had to speed better, y'all. But then I don't think they. Oh, they ain't coming for me. Oh, I got 2 stars. I can get off of me. Alright, we gotta go through cuts now. Now police off me. Nice. Oh snap. Down. Oh snap! I saw him. But I got the police up there. But that police up there is down. I'm gonna walk him in the boy. I about to walk this dirt bike on him. Ooh. But they flying. Look at my map. They flying. Ooh. Ooh, I get off of them. I getting off of them. This dirt bike acting up. This dirt bike cutting up on them, boy. Next thing you know, you're gonna have to squat on me. Oh yeah. Ooh. Dang. I gotta get from where I get from mine. Alright, first. Alright. What happened?
Wait.
Guys, I think the dirt bike is broke from all me keep on speeding and stuff. Like, you know, like, so I was speeding and then dirt bike like ding, like that over and over.
You guys hear?
No. And then I was like, it was making a lot of noise. So then why come, you know, I hear why come over there like ding, because then like then it was like making that little clinking over noise over there, and then but he better not ruin my license. He better not ruin my license. And it was like making that little ding noise, and over there while I was coming in. So I think the dirt bike, I think I need gas for the dirt bike. Walk that thing, man. Scary. Oh, I got a car just like that. But guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, like this video, and I will let you join me, and we will race and do anything. Bye. Wait, hold on.